Hi, it's Dolls, Toys, and Games Gal. Today I'm going to unbox and review an adult collector doll. This is Navia Phan from the Meteor collection by Integrity Toys. You might also know them for making fashion royalty dolls, but actually fashion royalty is just one of many lines that they have. Let's get this little red Meteor box out of the way. It contains accessories, which I will show you guys later. This doll is called the Coming Out Navia Phan. You can see her hairnet. All the Integrity Toys dolls have hairnets. They also come with certificates of authenticity, and this one came out at the very end of January 2021. She was $150, and I got her from Happily Ever After. All of the Integrity Toys dolls come with these ribbons in the back, so in order to unbox the doll, you just pull on the ribbons. I really like this because it makes me feel like the doll was special because somebody took the time to tie up the ribbons. All of the Integrity Toys dolls also come with super special accessories like these thigh-high boots that are in the same print and pattern as the doll's dress. And their feet also are tied with ribbons, so I'm just going to have to undo that as well to get her out. Ooh, so this is what a Meteor stand looks like. This is my very first Integrity Toys Meteor collection doll, so I haven't seen those before. So let's get a close look at our new gal. So a couple things stand out at me. One is she's got hazel eyes that look off to the side. She's got this interesting retro print and style dress that reminds me of the 1970s for some reason. And she has a Meteor tag on her right wrist. And opening her up, yep, they always do this to the knees. They wrap them in plastic. Here are the accessories. Sometimes people call Integrity Toys dolls Barbie for big girls, and this is why, because the accessories are amazing. They almost always come with an extra pair of hands. That looks to be a head wrap. She has a pair of glasses, pair of earrings, a chunky necklace, and 1, 2, 3 rings. Well, can't wait to get those on her. The hair is a golden brown color and it is wavy, and there is a lot of product in there, understandably, because it's got to stay wavy. I'm loving these thigh-high boots because they don't have zippers. I've broken other thigh-high boots before on these Integrity Toys dolls and been so mad at myself, but there's no possibility of breaking these, and they look great. Look at them. She looks amazing. I'm trying not to show her doll underwear because I don't know if that's like not okay or not. Here, this is another view of the doll with both boots on. Here's a look at the workmanship on her dress. So these are real closures. They're hook and eye closures, and it's all the way down her dress as well as on her obi belt. And here's her cute Meteor tag that was hanging from her wrist. And it says Meteor on one side and Integrity Toys on the other. I must be old-fashioned, but I've never seen a manicure like this. This must be the new thing, but the third and fourth finger are a pale green color, and the thumb, index, and pinky are a pink color. Okay, let's start putting her accessories on her. I'm gonna start with her earrings. This doll does come with pre-poked ear holes, which is such a relief because in other Integrity Toys dolls, you have to poke them in yourself. And once in, the earrings look great. I love the purple framed glasses, and I love the rose tinted lenses because it's like looking at the world through rose colored glasses. This chunky necklace is beautiful, but really hard to put on unless you have very tiny little kid-like fingers. It's like they don't want anyone with stubby fingers to collect these dolls because it's an actual closure. See that? As for her rings, I attempted to put all 3 on one hand, but it didn't quite fit very well, so I did 2 on the right hand and 1 on the left. Okay, I know this is a head wrap, and from the promotional photos, I know what it's supposed to look like, but I have no idea how to put it on her. Okay, so after a fair bit of trial and error, and I'll be candid, struggle, I managed to get this head wrap on. One more amazing thing to point out, these glasses, they actually work. The frames bend. So cool, huh? In case you're wondering how tall these Integrity Toys dolls are, they are slightly taller than a standard size Barbie. I'm bringing in a Barbie BMR 1959 doll for comparison. I think they're about as tall as a tall Barbie. So what do you guys think of this coming out Navia Phan doll? I love her. Looking forward to your comments and thoughts on her, and also what you'd like to see in my review videos. So let's put her into her new home amongst my other unboxed Integrity Toys and Fashion Royalty and Poppy Parker dolls. I'm looking forward to your comments, and thanks for watching.